This is Flash. He wasn't always in a wheelchair. Flash didn't have a very good day today, as he managed to expose himself to every single type of ray on the electromagnetic spectrum. Flash woke up as he did on any normal day, to the sweet tunes of One Direction coming from his own radio alarm clock.
There are 3 different types of radio waves.
AM, FM, and TV.
Flash then went downstairs to go to the microwave to start his day off right with a balanced breakfast from Jimmy Dean, consisting of a sausage, egg, and cheese croissant. Microwave ovens heat up food by having molecules vibrate inside the food, making the food turn hot. Although the microwave wasn't invented for food purposes, it was an accident that changed more than just food technology.
Flash's kitchen smelled awful after he burned his toast in the toaster, so in order to restore the wonderful breakfast smell in his kitchen, Flash lit his favorite bacon-scented candle. Infrared waves are heat waves. Other forms of infrared waves are TV remote controls and fire.
Flash waited for the rain to stop before he went on his late morning walk. As he walked, he saw the sun shining and a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. The visible light spectrum, the wavelengths we can actually see, are made up of the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Visible light only makes up a minuscule 3.5 times 10 to the negative 26% of the electromagnetic spectrum. Flash had laid down on a grassy patch to look at the rainbow and had accidentally fallen asleep. When he got up, he realized that he had not been in a shady spot and that his skin was now extremely burnt. Some kinds of ultraviolet light are ionizing, which means that they are potentially dangerous. There are 3 types of UV rays. UVA, the visible light that you see. UVB, the infrared light that you feel as heat. And UVC, the invisible ultraviolet radiation. Flash stumbled into CVS to get some aloe vera to soothe his UV burns. He had to climb a rickety stepladder to reach the top shelf. Unfortunately, the stepladder didn't hold, and Flash came tumbling down and heard a snap. Flash woke up in hospital with a doctor standing by his bed, who showed him the x-ray of his 2 broken ankles. X-ray machines work by firing a beam of electrons at a target, or piece of film, which goes dark where the x-rays hit, leaving white patches where the bones were. X-rays are given off by stars and some types of nebula. Flash wheeled himself out of hospital and started making his way back home. Flash wheeled around the same block looking for his house for 2 hours before a lady came up to him and wheeled him back to the hospital. The doctors told him that he was going to have to get a PET scan to see if they could determine what was causing his memory loss. Gamma rays found in PET scans are extremely high-frequency waves and pass through most materials. One would need concrete or lead to block them out. Although gamma rays are most commonly found in radiotherapy, which is a type of treatment used to kill cancer cells. So, as you've now seen, Flash did not have the best day today. Just be thankful that you didn't have to go through what he did in order to learn about the fabulous electromagnetic spectrum. So, a quick overview. The electromagnetic spectrum is the range of all types of electromagnetic radiation. The electromagnetic spectrum goes from the lowest energy and the longest wavelength, which are radio waves, to the highest energy and the shortest wavelength, which are gamma rays. There are non-ionizing waves and there are ionizing waves. The non-ionizing and safer waves are radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, visible light waves, and the UVA and UVB UV rays. The ionizing and potentially harmful waves are the UVC rays of the ultraviolet waves, X-rays, and gamma rays. Flash hopes you remember these few things so that his awful experiences were not in vain. Thanks for watching.